Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Edge 50 Neo. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Then click Let's do this and click Sign in. Now you have to enter your child email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. Then click Accept. And click on Supervise. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. And click Allow. Click Next again. Now click Done. And as you can see, my parental controls are enabled. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.